Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 7 of biodiversity and its conservation. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss about the definition of biodiversity. What is biodiversity? So biodiversity is the sum total of species of plants, animals and microorganisms living in an area. So we have to here understand that in an area there will be both two types of habitat, either it is terrestrial habitat and water aquatic habitat. So an area can keep more than one type of habitat. Okay. So that means in simple words we can say that biodiversity is the total number of species that live in a particular area. That area may have both type of habitat, both type of habitat, terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat, okay, and aerial habitat you can say. So whatever the area it contains, there may be a variety of species of animals, plants and microorganisms can have there. Okay, in that habitat, different types of plants, different types of animals, different types of insects, different types of microorganisms can live and survive there. Okay, this is the biodiversity, and we can say all the plants are called flora and all the animals, either it is macroorganisms or bigger animals, all are called fauna. Okay. So we comes on threat of biodiversity. What are the threats that damage or that destroy our biodiversity? These are, number one, deforestation. Deforestation can destroy the habitat of animals and plants, and they may be die or run away from other habitat or other biodiversity. Okay, and due to deforestation, there are many consequences. Deforestation can extinct the plants, animals and macroorganisms, as well as it can disturb the balance of our planet, our weather. It can disturb the ratio of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, it can affect our rain patterns. So these are the consequences, these are the drawbacks of deforestation. These are the impacts of deforestation. Second, destruction of natural habitat. When we destroy the forest, the natural habitat of plants and animals and other organisms get also destroyed. So either these animals or plants are lost, disappeared or died. Okay, this way there is a harm in the biodiversity. Third one is habitat fragmentation. That means when we cut the forest, the habitat of particular animals, plants and other living organisms become shrink. they reduce in size. This is called habitat fragmentation. So the number of plants, animals and other organisms also get reduced. Then come habitat degradation and pollution. Due to deforestation, the habitat of animals and plants becomes degraded. Then the number of plants and animals also becomes low, and that due to cutting down of trees, the pollution rate also increases. So it is due to the industrialization and due to the automobile vehicles and other human activities that pollute the environment. Okay, and leads to the pollution of soil, pollution of water and pollution of air. Then comes introduction of exotic species. When the habitat are destroyed, so the exotic, that means a species of other habitat or other nearby forest introduced into that area. So these are exotic. Those are outsiders that come into a particular habitat and compete with the animals and plants of those habitats. Okay. Over exploitation. Due to the deforestation, natural resources are overexploited. That means the soil fertility decreases, the water, underground water also decreases, underground water table decreases, the rain pattern get disturbed, the quality of air get disturbed. This way, if we overexploit, that will overuse the natural resources, these bad impacts will fall on our environment. Next comes jhum or shifting cultivation. In some hilly areas, jhum cultivation or shifting cultivation is practiced. In that process of cultivation, farmers cut some forest, cut some plants and trees on the hill slopes, and they cultivate that land and grow some crops. Then harvesting the crop, they left that land and further shift to another portion of the hill or the mountain, where they again cut the new forest, new plants and trees and start their cultivation at another place. So this practice of cultivation also destroy the habitats of animals and plants. Okay. Then comes hunting and poaching. Hunting has now been banned, but in the British time, when there were princely estates, they used to hunt the tiger and lions. So by the hunting, they disturb the food chain of the plant, of the habitat of a particular area, and this way the number of herbivores increased, and that had the bad impact on the agriculture and also the lives of nearby villagers. And poaching is in practice these days. Some hunters illegally got inside the forest and they kill the wild animals for their leather, for their skin,